Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll talk about how to make Android phones run faster. Generally, this is common in all Android phones. The Android operating system tends to feel slow after a few months of use. Because of this, the most Android users searched how to make Android phones faster. In this video, I'll help you to make Android phone faster. We will reduce the lag and freezes which make the Android operating system slow. There are 9 steps. You can try to get your phone at full speed. Let's explain how you can speed up your Android phone. Keep watching. Number 1. Restart your Android phone. Restart your phone, the first step you must apply. Sometimes your smartphone needs only a simple restart to be faster. Because rebooting your Android phone delete all temporary files and it is useful for cleaning up the RAM. Number 2. Disable or uninstall unused application. Every application on your Android phone uses amount of memory foam. So it is advisable to keep only application you need and uninstall the application you don't need. Let's explain this step in detail. Just go to Setting, search for Application. Click Application. Here, all the application will be listed. Look, identify the application which you don't need. Then tap the application you don't need and choose Uninstall. In case if the uninstall option isn't there, tap Disable like Disable. Number 3. Update your Android phone. Make sure your phone is running the latest software build. Upgrading the latest version of Android can free up system resources on your device. Every newer version of Android contains big fixes and many performance improvements. Therefore, it is advisable to make your phone updated to help your phone run better. Let's explain this step in detail. Okay, go to Setting, scroll down, click About Phone, scroll down, Software Update, Last Update. Check for update to update your device. Number 4. Clear cached application data. Cache memory is the type of the phone memory in which application and the games data are stored. When we run applications like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Google Chrome, the smartphone stores a large amount of unused data automatically in cache memory. These files or data aren't useful to the user, so it is advisable to remove this data. It will free up much space. That makes the performance of the phone more faster. Let's explain this step in detail. Go to Setting, search for Application, choose any application like YouTube Studio and then click Storage. Then click Clear Cache. You should apply this in other applications. Number 5. Free up the internal memory. This step I talked about in a previous video in detail. That video has 4 steps to get rid of the problem of full memory without deleting your photos and videos, without uninstall your application and the games which you need. So it is advisable to watch this video. I'll leave the video link in description and it will appear in I. Number 6. Install application from known sources. It is always better to install your application you need from known and trusted sources like Google Play Store, because there are many Android applications are fake. It is danger and it wanted to take control of your device. Number 7. Keep your application updated. All applications that installed in your smartphone need to update. So go Play Store and ensure that all of your applications are up to date. Let's explain this step in detail. Go to Play Store, click here, click Manage Application Device and search for the application needs update. Click Update All. Number 8. Use lite version of application. This is to be useful for those who own phones with medium specification and a little budget hardware. Those needs install a lite version for their application. We can find many popular applications offer a lite version. Using the lite version application improve the performance of the phone and reducing lag. This means the Android phone will be faster. Number 9. Reset your smartphone. If the above steps aren't useful for you, you must reset your phone. There are 2 ways to format your Android phone. The first way, using Android programming. Go to Setting, scroll down, search for About Phone, scroll down and click Reset. The second way, using special code. Only dial the following number. But there are some Android devices that don't support this code, so it is advisable to follow the first method. If this video is useful for you, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.